So let me quickly call Avdesh Dixit. He's Vice President, and a round of applause please, Vice President and Head HR for GE and SBI joint venture. So Avdesh was, played a very critical role in initiating our first HR Leaders Roundtable back in September last year. Sir.
Thank you so much.
And next, R. Anand from HCL Technologies. Anand has been also very instrumental in guiding us with what should be the content, how should we be delivering, and is really a mind behind our a lot of executive learning programs that we do that Gitanjali was mentioning. Anand, thank you so much, sir. Can I call Anshumal Dixit now? Anshumal again is a close friend and heads HR for iGate BPO. Thank you, Anshumal. Thank you, Anshumal. And our very favorite Gitanjali. The CEO Dialogue program is our joint program, and since the beginning we've sort of thought it together. Thank you, Gitanjali. I want to quickly get into some of the organizations who sort of supported us, starting with the United Nations Global Compact India, who've been our partner since the very beginning. Mr. Pooran Pandey, who heads UNGC India, is here. Sir, if I can request you to come up, please. Thank you so much, sir, for all your support and guidance. We couldn't have done it without you.
No.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
So we have Mr. Ramanan, who is the Chief Learning Officer for CMC Limited, to accept the award on behalf of CMC. Thank you so much for making it. And I must say, Avdesh at that point in time was with CMC Limited. Thank you. And next, let me call the next organization, which is HCL Technologies. I'll request Anand once again and his team to come up, please. And let me call Joseph from DLF Foundation now. And a round of applause for DLF Foundation. Thank you so much. Request Anshumal again to receive it for iGate. And I appreciate you being here despite some of the personal commitments that you had this morning. Thank you so much. And do we have anyone from SRF? Thank you so much for coming. Ajay Chaudhary, who's the Chief HR Officer for SRF, couldn't make it. Thank you so much. I would now like to call again the Zee Media Corporation team.
A lot of people have contributed behind the scenes for the previous CEO Dialogue and as well as this. So I'd just like to thank my admin team and my production team. So thank you so much for all your efforts. Thank you so much.
And a huge round of applause for Maruti Suzuki. Mr. Siddiqui, who is the chief mentor for Maruti Suzuki, has been really a guiding light for the whole initiative. It's our misfortune that he couldn't join and bless us today. Thank you so much, Anamika. Global Logic India, can I call Rajiv and team to please come up? Thanks for all your support, Rajiv. And last one for today is Cyient. Rajesh, can I request you to join us?
I think it's a wonderful network for young learners, a wonderful network to prepare ourselves jointly for the future, a wonderful network to experiment, share ideas, and more than sharing, learn from each other. I think it has come a long way. I think it's making a difference thanks to the innovative ideas of Ankur. And I wish the network all success, and I'm committed to add value to it in the future as well.
Thanks, Ankur, for getting this wonderful initiative initiated, first of all. I think there are a lot of organizations that are trying to make some space in this domain, but thanks to the thought leader that Ankur is and having our core group of Anand and Gitanjali and Mahesh. Thanks so much, Ankur.
Thank you.
And I'm sure we'll be working together on some wonderful initiatives in the future.
When Workplace 2020 initiative was rolled out, and Ankur actually reached out to me and shared about it, we felt that this was missing, where all the HR heads were meeting together and using the collective wisdom for strategizing the strategies for future from a Workplace 2020 perspective. And I think all the learnings which we have got so far from all the roundtables which happened, these have been real fruitful. In fact, some of the learnings we personally in Global Logic have started using as well. So it has been a great learning experience so far. And I think this is a wonderful initiative. Thanks, Ankur, for taking this initiative and all the people who are behind this.
Great initiative by Ankur. When it was started, I was kind of hoping something like this should start in Noida. Gurgaon, we have few things and people are interacting. It's only the time I meet quite a few of my colleagues in your initiative. So, a lot of learning, a lot of impact.